Well, hello. Today I'm going to replace a fuel filter for the Integra GSR. I believe all the Honda Civic it should be at the same locations. Okay, so the replacement should be the same. Okay, so I am using Canon PF 1200 high flow fuel filter. This engine has been 144,000 miles, so I believe that's the original fuel filter. Okay. So the way how to do that is I'm going to show you guys that in order to make it easier, basically what you do first is the fuel pressure regulator. You unplug that to the pressure release. Okay, let that unplug that and open the gas cap. Okay, that's the first two things. And then what you want to do is, let me see here. This is a 17, okay? 17 millimeter. Put some old towel or some old clothes, t-shirt on, okay? And then try to break this loose first, okay? Try to break the top 17 millimeter bolt loose first. That's what you want to do. If you can get this bolt loose like this, make it loose a little bit and slowly let the pressure come out. Okay, if any fuel come or squeeze out, you have a rag under. Okay, so let the pressure go out first. Do not do anything. Okay, now when you break this loose, now the trick is this is the trick. Okay, so let me see, what's my tool? Sorry guys, I'm looking for my wrench. Here you go. Sorry. Okay. So that 17 millimeter, okay, to break the top. Okay, so slowly apply pressure to and break the top loose. Okay, now when you break the top loose, here's the tricky part. Use a 14 millimeter. Okay, I believe this is a 14. Yes, it is a 14. As you can see there, I'm trying to put the camera down so you can see it. Okay, let me see. Again, if you can get this, you see this bolt right here? Right in here. Okay, use a 14, come and break this loose without taking the bracket. Let the bracket support hold the fuel filter in place. First, again, the 17 and break this loose. Okay, turn to the left. Okay, so once you break this loose, that means your job is a lot easier. If you cannot break this loose, I mean, don't even bother. Okay, you gotta break something. So, okay, once you break that loose, now these bolts right here, 10 millimeter, is holding this bracket behind here, holding the fuel filter in place. This is the last bolt that you want to take out. So you can use a 10 millimeter and go behind like that and take it out. Now once you take that out, okay, once you got the plate loose like this, okay, the filter loose like this, okay, now easy is gently take out that, and again there's some small washer here, so be careful with the washer. So sorry guys, I'm one hand and then one hand. Now you can just twist the filter out, okay, like this. See, now the old filter is out. Wow, can't believe it. This is the original filter, never been changing. Wow. Now to install the new filter, be very careful, super careful. Remember this right here, the bottom piece here. Line up this with the filter perfectly. Okay, line up with. Make sure they stay perfectly, and hand ties go in first. Okay, make sure go all the way hand tie first, because if you don't line up perfectly, you will mess up the thread. When you mess up the thread, you're in big trouble. Okay, the filter, you need a new filter. Put the filter here inside the clip in here, the bracket. You know, when you line up that, and then the new fuel will come here. Now remember all the tiny washer. Okay, remember all these tiny washer. One go in the bottom, one go on top. Okay, so be careful the way it is. Okay, so again, one on top of the screw, and okay, now when you're done, don't forget your fuel pressure hose, and don't forget your fuel cap. What you want to do is try to prime 2 times and then start and go check if you have a fuel leak. That you do the bad job. You do it well. Make sure there's no fuel leak. See? Nothing leak. See? Nothing leak. Yeah. Hallelujah. K&N filter. Yeah. So, thank you guys. Thank you for watching.